what you use to flush it with?
A lot of people just pop the freeze plug out and spray water through it to flush everything out.
Where's the grease plug?
What?
Where's that plug?
There's multiple. There's one right there.
Those are grease plugs?
Freeze plugs.
Oh, freeze plugs. Yeah.
One
I
right
was
there.
hearing Papa talking about them.
One right there. One on the other side and one on the other side.
Four of them. So, like if water gets in there, then it expands and pushes them out.
Yes.
Instead of breaking the crack in the engine.
Cracking the block here.
And then you have to replace the freeze plug. You lose all your oil if the freeze plug comes out.
No, I think you just lose your water.
Boy, there's not supposed to be water in the engine.
Water is what keeps it cool.
Right.
Water in a freeze.
I thought that around it, not through it. I guess I don't know. Is there a belt or something on here?
That's your, careful.
Your what?
That's your timing chain.
Alright, you want it covered up for a little while?
Making sure your engine's in correct time.
I'm ready for a break.
Me too.
Do we save these? Are they still good? I don't even know. Let me see yours.
I would.
I'll put it in here. Do you want to get the wagon and take this home, or?
Yeah.
And why are you painting it? Just 'cause it's fun to paint stuff?
Because that's what people do when they assemble engines.